Welcome to Matidor. Today we'll show you how to use smart comments to communicate clearly with your team. First, open any project and scroll into the latest comments panel. This is your communication hub. To add a comment, click into the comment box and start typing whatever you need to share. Want to bring someone into the conversation? Use @ and start typing a teammate's name. Matidor will help you tag them so they're looped in. You can also tag objects like map features or files using hashtag, giving context right where it matters. Hit save to add your comment to the thread. Once you tag someone, they'll get notified via an email alert. This helps your team stay in sync. They'll get that email with the comment and a quick link back to Matidor so they can jump into the conversation. To reply to a comment, just click reply underneath it, keeping the discussion threaded and easy to follow. You can even mention other teammates in your replies to loop them in too. Great for getting quick feedback or clarifying next steps. As conversations grow, you'll always see context tied to each comment, whether it's a person, task, file, or map item. Smart comments help keep your team aligned, right inside your project workspace. That's how you use smart comments in Matidor: faster communication, better collaboration. Thanks for watching. Tap that next video on screen to learn more and hit subscribe so you never miss what's coming next.